Step 1. Start by calculating your daily caloric needs based on your activity level and goals. Step 2. Determine your macronutrient ratios, protein, carbohydrates, and fats, for optimal health and performance. Step 3. Choose a variety of whole, unprocessed foods from all food groups to ensure nutrient diversity. Step 4. Plan your meals around lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, beans, or tofu for satiety. Step 5. Include complex carbohydrates like whole grains, sweet potatoes, or quinoa for sustained energy. Step 6. Incorporate healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, or olive oil for heart health and hormone balance. Step 7. Add plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables to your meals for vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Step 8. Consider portion sizes to help you stay within your calorie goals and prevent overeating. Step 9. Plan your meals for the week in advance to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices when you're hungry. Step 10. Create a shopping list based on your meal plan to make grocery shopping more efficient and focused. Step 11. Prepare meals in advance, such as on the weekend, to save time during the busy work week. Step 12. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses. Step 13. Allow for occasional treats or indulgences in moderation to maintain a balanced and sustainable approach. Step 14. Monitor your progress and make adjustments to your meal plan as needed based on your results. Step 15. Consult with a registered dietitian or nutritionist for personalized guidance and support for your meal plan.